Yeah, so we've just arrived at London Luton Airport and I'm going to show you how to get to London city centre by public transport. So yeah, let's go and get our train tickets. So this is what the train ticket vending machine looks like at Luton International Airport, and to buy tickets all you do is click buy tickets. We're travelling now and we're going to the London terminals, which is the main stations in London, and we'll click continue, one person, a single journey, we don't have any real cards, and the price for the tickets is £24.10. So let's hit that button, get our tickets and go down to the train station. Just pay for our tickets and let's go. Once you've got your train ticket from the ticket vending machine here at Luton Airport, just simply follow these signs to the train station. It's about a 3-minute walk from arrivals, not far at all. So yeah, let's go on board the Luton DART. That takes us to the train station. Let's go. The London DART is actually included in your ticket price. So yeah, let's get on board and go to London Luton Parkway. So yeah, let's go. All we need to do is scan the QR code on the reader to get to the train station. Let's do it. There we go. Yeah, let's get on board and go to London city centre. Let's go. After a quick journey, we've made it to London city centre, and yeah, let's go and explore London's views, landmarks and attractions. Let's go!